You're seeing a logo here. You're not seeing a logo here. There is no site icon. Okay. Now, random message. Just now I was thinking I saw her somewhere. Okay. I'll copy the website. I'll keep it here. Okay. First, we need to check that domain registration date. When ma'am have purchased the domain. And what is the age of the domain? Because age of the domain is one of the ranking factor. The oldest you are in the market, the more authority you will have. Okay. So, how do I check domain registration date and how do I check the age? For that, we have certain tools. Whatever the tools that we are going to use in SEO, I am going to add it in the resources tab.
सर वो डल दिख रहा सर.
Okay.
लाइट बंद करेंगे.
Light off.
Register.
Light off.
60 kilometers में add few more meters. Where is Shivani?
Absent. लंच प्रिपेयर कर रही सर.
Okay. That's good. Okay. So whatever the website I'm going to use, I'll add it here. Tool name. What is the use of that tool and link of that tool. To do one thing, you'll have lot of tools in SEO, but will you add the tools which are good?
अब टाइपिंग చేస్తుంటారు.
Okay. Now I want to check when the domain has been registered, and I have to check what is the age of the domain. I'll go to Google, check domain
registration date.
age. Now there are a lot of tools. Any of the tool you can use. I'll use this one, duplicate. Now I'll add this tool link where? In your resources. Now how do I check it? Copy the
URL.
domain name. Then go to the website, scroll down, paste the domain. Again scroll down, click on check domain age. Then what is the age of the domain?
1 year.
1 year, 10 months, 30 days. Copy and paste. When the domain was registered, domain created on 2024 to 9 means which month?
September.
So you can write date. If you don't write, it's okay. September
2024.
Got it? Clear? Simple. You just have to copy the URL and you have to go and you have to paste it. How do I check it? I've added a website link in the resources tab of your sheet. Just open. What is the tool name? Duplicate.
Do the checker.
What is the use of duplicate? To check
Age of
domain age and now duplicator is used for a lot of things, but now we used this particular link only for domain. Whenever there is a different link, I'll keep updating. Clear everyone? Any doubts? Okay. Now what is indexing?
segregating the
Segregating the
products.
data. I want to see how many pages of my website are indexed. It means whenever a crawler comes to your website, they'll crawl each and every page and each and every post, because Google don't care about post or page. That is for us. Google sees the only URL. Google will crawl all the URLs. Let's say there are 1 lakh pages in your website. Possibility is that only 100 pages Google might crawl. Rest of the pages Google might not crawl. You have 10 pages in the website, but only 5 pages Google might crawl. Why Google will not crawl the other 10 pages? Because content is not good, page quality is not good, structure is not proper, and all. Now in my website, I want to check how many pages are crawled for a website. Okay. How to check it?
Like
Any
crawl-
idea? Any guesses?
सर क्रॉल कैसा करेगा अभी वो गूगल में रजिस्टर करने के बाद ही ना
Did you enter Search Console? Search Console integration.
आई एम जेल सही से नहीं करे
So see, even if you don't do Search Console integration, Google will crawl your homepage.
हाँ हाँ
किधर ना किधर से लिंक मिल जाता है.
अच्छा.
That is the reason it was ranking here. When I
ये
search
कहाँ
for
पर?
PR collections Hyderabad, if it's
हाँ.
ranking, that means this is crawled.
ओके
But which page is crawled? Only home page is crawled.
हाँ हाँ हाँ
There are a lot of pages in this.
हाँ.
We need to check how many pages are crawled by Google.
गूगल
Clear? How do you think we'll check it?
उसको दूसरा टूल लूँगा
No tool. Manually can be found.
We have to take that link and put it on the Google search. SEO. No.
I'll copy the link.
हम्म.
I'll paste it in SEO. Again, website is opening.
No. Google homepage.
Okay. Only search you're saying.
No. Any link. We can
Product
take the
link.
collection. One particular.
I'll go to google.com. Here you're saying.
Yeah.
Enter. Okay. What you're seeing here? The total number of pages that are there from this website.
Right.
But Instagram also it's showing. And it will not only show your website. See, this Instagram also it's showing. This Instagram. So it will not give you proper results. So how do you check it? Open the homepage of your website. Before your website URL, enter site columns. Then click on enter. It will take you to this page. Now, how many pages are there? 1, 2, 3. Tens of pages will be there. I cannot count manually. Just click on this tools option. How many results? 123. It means 123 pages from this particular website have been crawled by Google. Now, why 123 pages? Because e-commerce में lot of URLs will be there. Google will not care about page or post. Google will care about the URL now. It can be a page URL or it can be a post URL. How do I check it? I'll show you once again. Open the website. Before the website, enter site column. Then click on enter. Okay. Next, I'll click on tools. How many results? 120. It means from this website 123 pages have been crawled. Clear? Any doubts till here? How to check the domain names? How to check the domain registration date? And how to see the number of indexed pages? By seeing the indexed pages, you can understand key what is it an old website or new website? See, it's only a 1 year old website. Clear? And these index pages will be more for e-commerce website because they have every product they have a different URL. Product page, category page, lot of things there. Clear? Any doubts? Do it everyone. Do it for HM fashion. PR collection का complete. HM, इंग्लिश में URL क्या है?
hmfashions.in ఓకే ఏం కావాలి
Guys, this is our website hmfashions.in. Fast. How much time you need?
రాసేది ఉంది.
1 hour.
ఇంకా స్టార్టింగ్ కాలేదు.
Page authority. Also known as DA, PA, domain authority and page authority. Okay. So every website will have a certain authority. What is the importance? What is the like think of what is the view of market of that in the website. So it's like a score, you can say. A score which is given out of 100. The more authority you have, the more possibilities of website is ranking will be increased. This is one of the ranking factor. DA is one of the ranking factor and PA is one of the ranking factor. Domain is nothing but your website. Page is nothing but page in a specific website. Okay. So every domain will have certain authority, importance. What is that authority? It can be 1 out of 100, it can be 10 out of 100, it can be 20 out of 100. Let's say one domain authority is 30, one domain authority is 20, one domain authority is 10. Which domain will have more weight?
30.
30. Okay. But clear about domain authority?
Who will decide?
At that I will.
सर और एक बार बोलो सर.
See, you have two things in your page, in your website. One is the domain that you are using, and there are certain pages. For every website, there is a domain, there are certain pages. Here, what is the authority of your domain? We decide. What is the authority of your page? Okay, two things: domain authority and page authority. These two things define how good the website is and or how good the page is. It will be out of how much? 100. Clear? Now, how do we check domain authority of the website? Achha, the more authority the domain has, the more tough is it to rank. It means today you have started a new domain. What will be the authority?
0.
You are working for 1 year, 2 years, slowly it will become 1, slowly it will become 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. So slowly authority will be increased, maximum it can go to
100.
But no domain have authority till 100 till now. I think 1 to 2 domains have that. How the authority will be decided and who will decide the authority? Okay. How many factors of Google do we have?
200.
What are those factors? Till now, what did you learn? Domain is one factor. Domain authority, one factor. Page authority, one factor, etc. Now, if you are fulfilling these factors, then only your domain authority will be increased. It means the highest the domain authority, the strongest the website is. Okay. The hold that the website holds in the view that website holds in the market. If the DA is high, should you take that website as a competitor? No, because it's very tough to beat. Now, how domain authority will be decided based on the ranking factors of Google. If you are fulfilling the entire ranking factors, it means your DA is good. If you are not fulfilling the ranking factors, your DA is not good. Even if you are fulfilling the complete ranking factors, if you start a new website, slowly it will be increased. Okay. Now, clear what is DA? Domain authority.
Authority.
How many domains do we have in one website?
1.
But so how many authorities we can have in one website? One domain authority. How many pages do we have?
N.
Depends on services. So every page will have a different authority. It means domain authority is defined by the entire domain name, entire content. Page authority is defined by the specific page. What is the content inside the page? How many images are there? How much the content is? What type of content is? What is the structure is? What type of videos are there in that page? That will define page authority. How many page authorities we can have in a website? Depends on number of pages. How many domain authorities? Only
1.
one. Clear?
Yes.
Any doubts? Now who will decide that?
Google.
Google? Yes or no?
Yes.
According to Google, there is no concept of DA or TA. Google did not introduce this concept. But who introduced it? Every industry mein when you're working, there are some top people in the industry. Like if you see real estate, there are some top people. If you see boutiques, there are some top people. If you see any business, there are some top people in the industry. If you see software engineering, a lot of top companies are there specialized in software engineering. So there is a company called Moz. Moz.com. These companies are SEO experts. Okay, this is a tool by the way, Moz.com. So what these companies will do is they'll understand the entire algorithm of Google. Okay, they'll compare the algorithm of Google with your website. Is it matching or not? How much is that matching? According to that, they'll give you DA and they'll give you P. Officially, Google never told that DA PA concept. Who told that?
Moz.com.
And everyone accepted it. Why? Because this is a good concept. How Moz.com did that? Because they are working from SEO since years, 20, 30, 40, from the day Google has started. Now they understand how algorithm is, how Google works, what type of factors Google consider, what type of factors Google don't consider. Based on that factors, it will give you rank. And this tool will give you DA and PA. How it will give you DA and PA based on your ranking factors. Okay. If your ranking factors are good, then DA PA will be high. If your DA PA is high, obviously you can say that the website is an authorized website. Clear? Any doubts? Okay. Now one more thing is that called spam score. What is spam?
Continuous.
Doing random things in your website. What is score?
How many random things?
How many random things you are doing in the website. So one more factor is there called spam score. Your website there are 100 pages, but there is no content. What you are doing? Spam. Your website there is one page, no other page. But one page you are adding dummy articles, lot of random things you are doing. Your website will go into spam. And out of 100 it will be there. It can be 1%, it can be 2%, it can be 3%. Depends on the website. Got it? Three important factors. And till end of the SEO we are going to discuss this. DA, PA stands for. DA, PA stands for every time. Competitor you are seeing DA, PA. Off page you are doing DA, PA. Everything that you are doing you focus on DA and PA. Domain authority and page authority.
Sir, if DAPA is high, if the score is high and spam score is also high, then
See, where there is good,
There is no bad.
there is bad also. If your website don't have any spam score, matlab you are not doing anything in your website. But generally small website will not have spam score. These are distances is a very small website. If you talk about Facebook, do you think spam score will be there? Because millions of people are doing. Millions of people say certain people will be there who are doing spammy things. So spam score will be increased automatically. So if the DA is good, you can trust that website. Only when the website is authorized. Even if you see Facebook our spam score is 100%, but Google knows that Facebook is a trusted website only. So you can consider that.
Okay.
But there is a website you never know. But you go into that website, you see spam score is 100%. You should not consider that. Clear? Now, how do we check it?
DAPA checker.
Most.com. Earlier this used to work very well. Nowadays it's not working. Today I tried after some long time.
Long time no see.
Okay. What I'll do? I'll search for Moz. See, SEO first, SEO software for smarter marketing. Let's check the domain age of Moz. How do I check it? one do you think is the oldest domain on internet?
Google.
No. Internet
Yahoo.
was launched in 1980s or something.
MSN.
Yahoo.
MSN.com.
MSN.com. No idea.
Yahoo.
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 No idea.
Gmail?
No idea.
YouTube.
No mail.
No idea. Let's search. Oldest.
Sir, we can